What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the Clear Cryptos educational channel. My name is T. Hodge from the Crypto Shop, and of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Nothing's different, nothing crazy going on, except for there is a Congress that exists where crypto can be a part of it. Story we're going to take to you today is Republicans voting for the right to have stablecoins. Justin, take us away, man.
Yep. So House Republicans are making a new case on stablecoins. Republicans on the House Financial Committee are once again looking to establish regulations for stablecoins this week. A discussion draft bill is now available to the public, which will likely be the focal point of the discussions with Democrats. The bill could create a definition of payment stablecoins, specifying what types of entities could issue them and defining how these companies should handle reserves. It does leave out algorithmic stablecoins, which we all know have been a problem. However, it also repeats clauses stating that an issuer can either be a subsidiary of a federally insured depository institution or state or federally regulated non-bank company. In addition, the draft bill also declares the following: stablecoins must be fully backed by safe reserves that are subject to monthly reviews by registered accountants, and stablecoins are not securities. And that one's big because we all know the controversy between stablecoins or just crypto in general being securities or commodities. So they would fall under the CFTC and not the SEC. Additionally, the draft bill on stablecoins gives a bit more power to the states and their approach to stablecoin enforcement. In particular, it gives consideration to state-based licensing. However, it also provides that the Federal Reserve can overrule an enforcement disagreement, which is kind of weird because they're also kind of giving power to the Federal Reserve, which some people might not like that, right? So according to CNBC, the new bill is half the length of the previous bill. It focuses on rules governing the registration and approval process for individual prospective stablecoin issuers, and Democrats are already skeptical of the draft. Well, like we're not surprised. It was drafted by House Republicans without Democrat input, and last week, Rep. Maxine Waters, the senior most Democrat on the committee, said the legislative body should be starting from scratch in regards to a new bill. So, and they also want bipartisan support, which, I mean, we know that doesn't happen nowadays. But anyway, what do you think?
I think that this is a good move in the right direction that Congress is even talking about this. However, let's be clear. It's Congress, right? Congress in regards to deciding whether or not there should be toilet paper in the bathrooms is probably not capable of pushing any bipartisan decision through. However, I think that the recent popularity, again, whether it be negative or positive, it's still popularity of crypto may actually make this a much bigger deal moving forward in the election days than we actually think. But I would really love to know what you guys think down in the comments down below. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the video. Come back and check out myself and Jay Seals on the Clear Cryptos educational channel. My name is T. Hobbs. That guy down there is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.